guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be all about organizing my bathroom closet. So this is what it's looking like. Kind of have things all over the place. I did buy some bins already that I want to use, so let's get started. So I started out by taking everything out of the closet. This allowed me to see everything that I have and everything that was hiding in there. I went through them, and everything that I wasn't using, of course, I either gave it away or tossed it in the garbage if needed. So you're just seeing me take everything out to start off with the organization. Next, I started to sort everything out. I placed all of the like items together. So you see me taking out all the combs. So I do have a little basket in there where I'm placing all of the combs together, so it'll be easier to access. And then I also sorted out like all of my hair bands, my hair clips, and all the like items I put together, which gives us easy access when we need them. So honestly, I don't know why I have a blow dry, because I don't even use it. I really have it for when people come over, just in case they have to use it, because I do my family members' hair sometimes when they're here. So I'm just gonna store that where it's not accessible, because it's not something that I use. So for those items that you don't use, just store it where you don't have to see it. It's not reachable. So I'm moving on to my cabinets. I just want to organize this a little bit more so that the top of my sink would be clutter free. I already took some stuff out these are things that were in here, my makeup and stuff. So I'm gonna go through my makeup, see what I need, what I don't need, what I'm not using. Sorry guys. And throw away what I'm not using or give it to someone that can use it. Things that are like safe to use for someone else. So I'm gonna put this is in my kitchen. I don't like to put stuff in without having stuff in it to line it out. So I'm gonna put that there, and I'm going to switch things around. By the way, this is Semi Beauty. This is what I use. These are, let me show you real quick. Hold up. Let me do some advertising real quick. Unpaid, but it's good. So these are the makeup brushes that I use, that I've been using recently. And it's like, when I say it's good, like it's really good. Like I'm getting rid of all the other ones that I don't use. And because it's already organized, it's like a plus for me. So as soon as I use it, put them back. So it's not like all over the place. But this is my new favorite brushes, and it's by I don't know if y'all can see the logo. It's by Semi Beauty, and I'll put the link down to where I got this from, in case y'all are interested.
So before I had my locks, I used to wear a lot of wigs, like a lot of hair extensions. So this is like my bag of wigs that I'm going through, and my bag of all of my fake hair that I used to use. And some weren't even open, and that Ziploc bag is a wig. So I literally used to place my wigs in Ziploc bags so that they don't go bad. And so I'm giving them all away, including the extensions that are in that plastic that I never used. So yeah. Don't judge. So here is a recap of what the closet was looking like before we did the organization. And this is what the closet looks like after. I kept that middle row with all my hair products open because I want to be able to see which products I have and be able to access them.
So over here I put a push pin to hold my longer hair bands, just so it doesn't get mixed up with my smaller hair bands. So I kind of just categorized everything and put all the like items together, just to make my life easier and simpler.
Now that I have all the toothpaste and toothbrush away, I'm able to now have that top of the sink clutter free, just the way I like it and the way I aspire for it to be. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll check you in my next video.